Good morning to all of you. As guys, I was telling you about the bias, and mostly I had told you about the bias and the change of bias, the change of tense, and how to change the sentence, active sentence into passive, the rules of that thing. And today I will teach you about narration. What is narration? Narration means होता है in Hindi कथन. Narration means कथन. There are two kinds of narration: direct narration, प्रत्यक्ष कथन. When we use somebody's actual word, it is called direct narration. जब हम प्रत्यक्ष रूप से किसी बात को सुनते हैं उस वक्ता के द्वारा, स्पीकर के द्वारा ही, then it is called direct narration. And second, indirect narration. Indirect narration means होता है अप्रत्यक्ष कथन. When we use somebody's actual word after modifying, जब हम किसी की कही हुई बात को कुछ समय के बाद दूसरे के द्वारा सुनते हैं तो हम उसे कहते हैं indirect narration, अप्रत्यक्ष कथन. Here the definition of direct and indirect narration. But their narration is divided in two parts. The first part is reporting verb, and second is reported speech. And when we have to change a sentence in indirect, that time we use a conjunction for joining those words, and after joining we make it a indirect. Suppose the teacher said to me, "You sang well." अध्यापक ने मुझसे कहा कि तुम अच्छी तरह से तुमने अच्छा गीत गाया. तो the teacher said to me, it is reporting verb, and you sang well, तुमने अच्छा गाया, it is reported speech. The second sentence you said to her, तुमने उनसे कहा they are football player, वे फुटबॉल के खिलाड़ी हैं. तुमने उनसे कहा कि वे फुटबॉल के खिलाड़ी हैं. So this part is reporting verb, and the part is in inverted comma is called reported speech. So narration दो भागों में होता है, and direct and indirect. And a sentence is divided in two parts: reporting verb and reported speech. In direct narration. अब उसके बाद होता है, सपोज मैंने कहा कि when we have to change the sentence in indirect, then how we change that sentence? What is the rule of changing a direct narration into indirect narration? Now I will tell you about that. Change of tense. Change of tense. Suppose there are three kinds of tense. First, we change simple present into simple past. सिंपल प्रेजेंट को हम सिंपल पास्ट में बना देते हैं. नंबर 2 होता है सिंपल प्रेजेंट मींस प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस को पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस में. We change present continuous into past continuous. Change present continuous into past continuous. We change simple present into simple past. Then we find perfect. perfect into past perfect. Present perfect को भी change in past perfect. After it, present perfect continuous into past perfect continuous. Then we find future. तो फ्यूचर में हम क्या करते हैं? We change will and shall in would and should ये पूरे न्यूनतम फ्यूचर टेंस में we find future tense, then we change the will in would and shall in should, right? And after it, to the switch. If we find that the quoting verb is in present indefinite, present indefinite, or future then we do not change the tense of reported speech. Reported speech. So it is the way to change the sentence into direct, from direct to indirect. So firstly, we change simple present into simple past, then we change present continuous into past continuous, we change present perfect into past perfect, and present perfect continuous into past perfect continuous. And after it, we change past indefinite in past perfect, when we find that reported speech is in past indefinite tense, then we change the tense of that reported speech into past perfect. It is the way to change a sentence from direct to indirect. Suppose that मैंने कहा Ram says to me, you are fool. Now it is a direct. What is it? Direct narration. Now we have to identify reporting verb and reported speech. Now this part is reporting verb and this part is reporting speech. Now Ram says to me, जब इसे indirect बनाएंगे, when we change it to indirect, तो Ram says to me, tells me. Now on the place of inverted comma we put that conjunction, that as a conjunction, that you are full. You means me, I am full. Now here we find that I did not change the tense of reported speech because we find that this reporting verb is in present tense. When we find reporting verb in present tense, then we do not change the tense of that sentence of reported speech. Now I want to tell you something more about the changes. That if we find any pronoun or any person, then how can we change that person by changing indirect? Suppose अब मैंने एक सेंटेंस दिया आपसे, जैसे he said to me, comma, comment, you are not playing well. उसने मुझसे कहा you are not playing well, तुम अच्छा नहीं खेल रहे हो. Now we have to change the tense. When we have to change the tense of the sentence while making indirect, then we will change the tense of reported speech. Suppose we find here said to. When we find said to, then we, while making indirect, we write there he told. He told me. He told me. On the place of inverted comma, we have to put that. That you means me. Right? Then me is second person, first person and objective pronoun. So we change you, we are me, then it will be I. Now it is in past tense, not in present or future. Then we have to change the tense of the sentence, reported speech. It is in continuous tense, present continuous. Now we will change it in past continuous. I was not playing well. तो अगर प्रेजेंट या फ्यूचर में रहती है रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब, तो हम रिपोर्टेड स्पीच का चेंज नहीं करते. Then we do not change the tense of reported speech. But if you find the reporting verb in past tense, then we change the tense of reported speech. And as a rule, we change the present continuous in past continuous. And the next, I want to tell you the past continuous को हम चेंज करते हैं past perfect continuous. Past continuous को हम past perfect continuous चेंज करते हैं. सपोज जैसे मैंने सेंटेंस कह दिया कि he said to me, to Mira, I was not feeling well. अब यहाँ पे इसने कहा एग्जाम्पल के लिए मैंने एग्जाम्पल दी कि सेड टू मिया आई वाज नॉट फीलिंग वेल. नाउ दिस इज इन पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस. इसमें पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस. Here we find the reported speech in past continuous, and then we have to change the past continuous in past perfect continuous. Past continuous in past perfect continuous, right? पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस का नो चेंज, right? If we find past perfect continuous tense, then there is no change of that tense. If we find past perfect which tense, then there is no change of tense in the polar speech. तो अगर हम कह रहे हैं कि अगर हमें पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस में पोलर स्पीच मिलती है डायरेक्ट मेंशन में, तो हमें उसे चेंज करना होता है. व्हेन वी हैव टू चेंज दैट सेंटेंस इन इनडायरेक्ट, देन वी डू नॉट चेंज द टेंस ऑफ द पोलर स्पीच while making indirect. For example, they said, "Mama, you went down." Past perfect. You had stolen money. तुमने पैसे चुराए थे. Reporting verb, reported speech in past perfect time, past perfect tense, and when we have to change it in indirect, then what is the rule of this tense? They said, तो said ही रहने देते. That you had stolen money. Third person, you had that stolen. So this is a way to change a sentence from direct to indirect, or it means to change the tense of a sentence while making indirect tense. So that's it, guys. And other topics I will tell you tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye. And if you want to study properly, then please bring books from your school. And have a nice day, बच्चों.